Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we are unboxing something from Louis Vuitton that I had let go from my collection a little over a week ago and I instantly regret it. So I had to repurchase it. So let's get into it. So this item is discontinued from the Louis Vuitton website. And if you had watched my last week's video, I had traded a few things in for my Monsterie PM backpack. And one of those items was something that I thought I would be okay with letting go from my collection. Just because if you watched my last week's video, you would have known that a bunch of these items that I had traded in were duplicate styles that I already have in my collection. So I thought, why do I need multiples of them? Proven that this one specifically, I definitely should have kept the multiple. However, because this is discontinued, I had to go through the pre-loved route. So that's where I came to this piece. And truth be told, I kind of am happy that I got this one over the one that I had traded in, just because this is a little bit more rarer than the other one that I traded in. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And so this piece I did purchase from an online Facebook group that I am a part of. And so saw this piece posted. It was in excellent condition. It was located in my city. And so I thought, you know what, might as well go ahead and pick this one up just because I definitely do miss having this in my collection. And so the piece that I repurchased super fast was the toiletry pouch 19. And you guys are probably going to be saying, Jonathan, why did you repurchase this? You said that you have the Murakami one, which I do, and that I wouldn't need another one. However, as I was using the Murakami piece, I realized that I was being a little bit more delicate with it than I was with my other monogram piece. And so I was babying it a little bit more than I tend to baby my pieces. And so I was always worried about there being color transfer on it. I was worried about the corners rubbing because that is a limited edition piece. I want to keep it in as pristine condition as possible. And so I thought to myself, I needed a workhorse piece that I can use on a constant basis. And that way, if I wanted to trade into the Murakami one, it wouldn't be something that I'm dedicated to using on a daily basis. So that's where I came to this piece. I have seen this piece several times, but it was never in the condition that I was willing to pay for it. And because Damier Abin SLGs are very difficult to come by in great condition, these are selling for quite above retail prices. I think I saw one on a Japanese eBay for about 1,200 Canadian dollars. Obviously, I didn't pay that for this just because this piece is about 10 years old and there is some signs of wear. However, it is very minimal. There are some corner rubs, which I am okay with. This piece was made in 2010, so it is a little bit over 16 years old. So I can't fault it for that. There is some tarnishing on the zipper pull, but the one thing that I was very impressed with was the fact that the interior is in immaculate condition. For a lot of these older toiletry pouches, they were subjected to having peeling on the interior, and this one is perfect. There is no peeling or signs of peeling anywhere. And I absolutely love the pop of red on the interior. Honestly, Damier Abin with red interiors, it just gets me every single time. And so that's why I wasn't too upset about not getting the monogram version because I absolutely love Damier Abin canvas as well. And I feel as though in recent events, my collection has really geared towards a lot of monogram. And so I kind of want to start adding in other canvases into my collection so that way we're not always just staring at monogram heavy pieces. And so that's why I thought this was a perfect addition into my collection. And I am so happy to have another daily toiletry 19 that I can use in my handbags without feeling any worry. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or simply want to see more of me, then definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.